Hey guys, here at AwesomeVTXReviews.com. You're watching our video unboxing / first look at the MagLite Solitaire. MagLite, of course, is an infamous brand name that brought us a lot of very high-quality LED-based flashlights, which are both high-quality and durable and great for emergency situations, and also has a very special tip on most of their flashlight products, which allows the tip to actually be removed and used as a stand for the bottom, so the device can be used as both a torch as well as a regular flashlight. The Solitaire, like most of MagLite's devices, are made out of an aluminum metal material, so it's a very durable build and also a very premium build. This smallish flashlight, which can be used for keychains, which is the Solitaire lineup, uses only one AAA battery, which lasts around 1 year, and also it comes in multiple colors from black, red, blue to gray and white. And the device can also cost around $10. You can buy it at Lowe's, Home Depot, also online at Amazon.com as an exclusive device. As a ruggedized aluminum construction, it also has a curled design on the side, so it's easy to grip. Some other specs of this particular flashlight is that it's anodized inside and out, so it's kind of resistant to corrosion. So even if the battery runs out, it's not going to die. Also, the device is splash and water and shock resistant, so it's going to be resistant to those things, unlike most devices made out of metal. So this is something that's kind of interesting. It's also extremely small, great for keychains, still retains the same quality of the Mag lineup, but again, it's just a smaller size and more easy to travel and take with you for on-the-go camping trips, and just as something to take in order to open up different locks. Your home lock if you're going home and you can't see the front door in night. So it's a great device to take a look at in general. So the packaging is pretty generic. On the back, of course, you have some more information about the item that we just took a look at. This is the red version. This is the torch. This is the regular flashlight mode. You can select how the light is angled, as you can see there, so it's a pretty interesting design. And of course, that's how you put in the battery, and of course it's a very high-end and premium build quality, so which is something that's pretty interesting. Of course, you also have a 10-year limited warranty on this device, made out of aluminum alloy, the casing. So again, it's a very, pretty nicely built flashlight. Also at $10, however, it is slightly expensive. You can get, of course, smallish flashlights for a lot cheaper here in the US, and also you can get it online, even at eBay.com, for around $1 each. But of course, the build quality is not going to be even comparable to the MagLite series of devices, and also the feature range that they typically offer, including the different, light designs from torch to regular flashlight, to the build quality, the water resistancy, the shock resistancy, and of course the construction quality, which we're usually fans of, and of course the color customization. The MagLite Solitaire is also made in the United States instead of being manufactured in China, so it's also a pretty premiumly built device that we don't tend to see a lot of anymore. Again, they are very popular, so you can even get them at even smaller locations and stores, which is also nice. Of course, you can also get a battery pre-included in the box, which is part of the cost of $10 that you purchase. So after you get this flashlight, you're basically ready to go, and you don't need any more accessories. You can start using it immediately. As far as taking everything out, there actually isn't anything else in here. The actual packaging paper dubs as a instruction manual as well, which is kind of interesting. We can flip it open like so, and you can see on the inside it talks about the inspection, maintenance, how to keep on using the device and keep it fresh, how to change the battery, all the different parts that are involved in creating the MagLite, which is pretty complex actually, and some more information. It's a pretty nicely documented, nicely printed monochrome instruction manual / warranty guide. And of course, taking a look at the device itself, we have the lanyard strap that's pre-included, allows you to actually use this device and hook it up onto your keychain. It's a pretty nice little lanyard, and the battery itself, which is Duracell, lasts pretty long. Taking a look at the product itself, of course, the design is made out of metal. You can see how the sides indicate has a very solid, weighty feel to it, and it's, of course, it feels very good in the hand, and a lanyard strap would strap on to the end of the product like so. So sliding open the back end of the device, you can see that this is a location where you put in the battery, and I'm just going to try putting it end in first and see if that works. Hopefully that will, or if we got the side wrong, then we have to switch it over. It seems like the metal is, again, very, very solid feeling, so even though this is a small flashlight, it still weighs quite a bit because it is made out of metal and does feel, very quality constructed in the hand. I'm having a little bit of an issue with putting in that. I just need to screw it in like so, and then just a Solitaire on the other side for the brand name, made in the United States, and more information like that. So this is actually where we would twist the flashlight and it would turn on like so, and it works very well. If we turn off the lights, you can see how it's a very bright flashlight. It's LED based, so it's a extremely bright light. In the darkest environments, you'll still be able to see them. Even in brighter environments, you can see them. It has a beam and it gets slowly larger and larger. Like most MagLights, the light is extremely bright. So if we take off the actual light, we can actually enable the torch mode that I was actually talking about earlier. And this is actually a common feature on, I believe, most MagLite flashlights. And as you can see here, this is just a regular taking off the entire tip, and I can put it on the bottom if I want to. Or, of course, you can put it back in there. This is a more extended view, like so. It's already more torch-like. But if I want to twist in the entire tip in, like it was before, now it's going to be more traditional flashlight mode, which is a more direct beam of light instead of being at widespread. So overall, a very nicely designed flashlight. It's going to last a long time. Even though it's going to be more expensive at directly, if you buy something premium, I do believe that it's going to last you for more usages than something that might break very easily since it's so cheap. And we would definitely recommend the MagLite Solitaire, which is an interesting first look here at osandvtxreviews.com.